train your English voice to use and, so, and because in sentences. In the previous lesson, we learned that conjunctions are words that we use to link two sentences together to make one longer sentence. So there are many different conjunctions. Now we will look at and, so, and because. These words can combine two sentences with the same ideas. Let's have a look at and. This is to add something else which is similar. For example, Mr. Smith is going to open the debate night. Mr. Smith is going to close the debate night. Now let's join that. Mr. Smith is going to open and close the debate night. Another example, they are going to the cinema and to the restaurant. Please note that if the verbs are the same, you do not have to repeat them. You also don't have to repeat the person's name if it is the same. For example, Mr. White was not feeling well and he went to the doctor. Let's have a look at the conjunction so. This is the result of something. Mr. White was not feeling well. Mr. Smith opened the debate night. Let's join that. Mr. White was not feeling well, so Mr. Smith opened the debate night. Another example, he was not feeling well, so he went to the doctor. Let's have a look at the conjunction because. This is the reason for something. For example, Mr. Smith opened the debate night. Mr. White was not feeling well. When we join that, we say, Mr. Smith opened the debate night because Mr. White was not feeling well. Another example, they closed the shop because business was slow.